initiate for the resettlement program previously. He's closed down the Welvia centers also. Very good number of Welvia centers closed down, and people were taken for accelerated resettlement program. Basic facilities and the resettled people also we have taken place. Civil administration fully restored. All the divisional secretariat and the district secretariat rebuilt, and administration restored within a very short period. Short-term projects and to provide infrastructure to complement immediate resettlement program, implementation of major infrastructure projects, poverty alleviation, livelihood support, uplift living standard, decent and peaceful life, rehabilitated ex-combatants, reconciliation initiatives. These are the divisional and district administration under the government agent. It was all the buildings were reconstructed in the northern province. This is the village secretariat. These are the health facilities we have provided in the grassroots level. This is the immediate assistance we have provided to the resettlers from the government, and especially from the Ministry of Economic Development and the other NGOs, and the UNHCR. India also provided a lot of support to restore the life of the people in these areas. These are the facilities provided immediately for the resettlers. It's also livestock. It is taken the third place in the livelihood activities in the northern region. This is the reintegrated program for the ex-combatants and also the school children provided by the Civil Affairs Office in Jaffna district. Our officers are working together, and the marvelous job they have done to restore the life of the people with the administrators. So the reconstruction and social and economic infrastructure facilities undertaken in the with the implementation of all stakeholders, the reconstruction activities were taken place in the affected district with huge amount of investment. These are the facilities: housing facilities, water supply, sanitation, hospitals, schools, cooperatives, post offices, common building, roads, highways and railway, electricity, administrative buildings, service centers, small, medium, large industries, reconstruction of places of worship, rebuilding national and cultural heritages. So the total allocation for the development program is a Jaffna district, Mullaitivu district, Kilinochchi district. For the aftermath of the devastation of these districts, the government has allocated a massive amount for the immediate development of these districts. So the housing program also very important for the people to resettle in their own places. A lot of people involved in housing program, the Indian government and the Northeast Housing Program under the World Bank, the Ministry of Resettlement, National Housing Authority, non-government organizations, Sri Lankan Army, banks, and other lot of NGOs also involved to reconstruct the houses in northern province. These are the housing facilities we have provided to the people. The fisheries also, the agriculture is the first livelihood activities in the northern province, and fisheries is the second priority area. It's a college of fisheries constructed in Jaffna district, and other fisheries related buildings also constructed, and you can see that figures in the from 1983 to 2011. It is now we are all sea areas released for the fishing activities. That's what we are immediately our production is increasing. Compare with 2009, 2011 is double, almost double in this Jaffna district. So fish production is going well. These are the development, some of the development activities taken place in the rural areas. Road renovation is a Pradeshiya Sabha, local authorities buildings. It is a Jaffna port construction. So development activities under mega projects also undertaken. This reconstruction of railway with Indra and inter-province connectivity is going on. Vavuniya in Jaffna, National Highway, Vavuniya Jaffna, Mangulam Mullathievu Jaffna, bridges Navapalli, Parandan Sangapati, provincial roads, reconstruction of electricity transmission line, water supply, reconstruction of teaching hospital. These are the mega projects. After the resettlement of the people, the government has taken a very considerable amount they are spending for our reconstruction activities of these sectors. These are the Sangapati bridge and the road network in Jaffna district. It's a railway and the transmission tower. Road development is a highways, it's a local roads, and power supply also undertaken, and end of this year the power supply through the national grid will be completed in Jaffna district. These are the National Water Supply Drainage Board taken lot of water supply scheme in Jaffna districts. These are the big water supply scheme from Kilinochchi to Jaffna district. These are the hospital in Jaffna, education sector, accelerated resettlement program in Jaffna district. Within 2 years we have resettled these displaced families in Jaffna, Mullathievu, Kilinochchi. These services provided by the security forces is very much highly appreciated. They have, when we are resettling the people from the welfare centers, they have very much help us to clear the minds, and the immediate support they have provided us to take these people to their origin of the villages. This is the success of resettlement. The abandoned land brought under cultivation. Within a year in Jaffna district, nearly 15,000 acres, hectares brought under cultivation. Due to the efforts taken by the government, security forces, NGOs, INGOs, the people of the affected district returned to their prosperous life in successful manner and utilized the great opportunities of abandoned land cultivation, agriculture production increased, employment opportunities increased for income generation, free movement of people, number of local and foreign tourists increased, investment opportunity increased, accelerated economic growth, services expanded, living standard increased, poverty reduction. Nearly 7,000 families last year we recorded their poverty line is reduced, and maximum usage of resources also. Marketing opportunities increased, the development of public and private transport services also considerably increased. These are the facilities provided to the resettlers. Agriculture is almost, we are in northern province in cultural products, we are self-sufficient, and we are sending the agricultural products to the down south also. Development and poverty reduction programs to support resettlement activities. The main programs supported to uplift the living standard of the affected and vulnerable people, and the people are strengthening their life and day-to-day activities with a fixed amount. These are the poverty reduction program undertaken by the Ministry of Economic Development to facilitate the immediate resettlement and uplift the standard of the people. Samuti Emergency Northern Development and Rehabilitation Program, a big amount spent by the Ministry of Economic Development for the reconstruction of the infrastructure facilities. Samuti Development Program, Devi Neguma, Gama Neguma, Pura Neguma, Re-Awakening Project, and the Conflict Affected Area Rehabilitation Program, and also seeds, fertilizer, tractors, water pump, etc. issued for the people to start their livelihood activities, and also the cement materials and other housing materials provided to the resettlers, the school support provided to the school children, free food, issue of boats, nets to start their fishing activities, cash for work, free medical support and nutritional food. These are the development activities taking place in similar part of the areas. So the livelihood support provided to the resettlers and ex-combatants also. These are the production from Jaffna, and these productions are the farmers are doing marketing in down south. They are getting very good amount of income from these agriculture products. These are the housing and school facilities provided under Vadakin Vasandam and other development activities. So tourism also, now it's a time to develop our tourist activities in Jaffna district. Every month the local and foreign tourists are coming to Jaffna district. So private investment also considerably increased in Jaffna, that due to based on the tourists, a lot of hotels are coming up, and the private investment is very highly increased due to the diaspora also returning to the country, and they are very much like to invest their money in the northern province. It's a collaborated achievement for the success of implementation, resettlement and reconstruction. We are the administrators. We worked with the security officials, government, non-government organizations, corporations, societies, educational institutions, as well as these media and diaspora to develop our resettled area rapidly. These are the works we have undertaken with the local level institutions. These are the every periodically we are reviewing the our work progress with the military and the other officials, related officials, and they are helping us to restore the life of the people. Also, we are administrators. We are learning lots from the security officials. They are helping us how to do the how to work with the people in peaceful manner, and also they are with their services we achieve the success of the resettlement in these districts. So frequently the delegates also coming to northern region to check this our rehabilitation and reconstruction activities. Also the media also taken a big role to expedite our transparent service to the people as well as the international people. Thank you very much.